Welcome to today's episode. We are headed to go pick up a 5-yard dump trailer. Clients had this for about a week. They had a kitchen remodel. We are going to go pick that up. I'm going to show you the process. I thought you might be interested. Like, comment, share. If you find this entertaining, please let me know. So comment down below. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned. Just like that, we are loaded up. Got everything strapped down. I always like to walk around, make sure everything's good. Make sure that my connections are all tight. The lights are working, chalk blocks are taken out. There's nothing in the way. I always look for nails, things like that. Make sure my hitch is good, lights are good. All right, so we're gonna get this out of here. All right, just like that, we've loaded up the trailer. We are gonna take this to the dump probably in a few days when I head into town. What my process is I typically get there, assess, just make sure everything's in order, make sure the customer hasn't overloaded, there's no nails in front of the tires or anything like that. From there I hook up to the trailer, plug in all my lights, make sure the trailer is secure. Try to squish down any of the debris that's possible, and then tarp it. Take out my chalk blocks and take the load home for now. Next time I see you, we'll be at the dump. I'll show you that process as well. Stay tuned. Welcome back. It is the next day. We are headed to a new transfer station that I just found out about. Just leaving the transfer station. I was unable to film. It was very last minute. I think I showed up 10 minutes before they closed. The guy was super nice, super helpful. Of course, I forgot the battery to the dump trailer, so the guy actually helped me wire up from his truck to be able to dump it. So like I said, this is a new transfer station that I just found out about. It's about 15 minutes from my house. The other one's about 40. So this is going to be way more convenient in the future for jobs on this side of town. The one main issue is that it's a sand mud pit. I mean, my truck is filthy, the trailer's filthy. Where the one in the bigger town next door, it's all asphalt. But just for context, I'm going to show you guys a video of me dumping some metal scrap, just to show what that looks like, because I was unable to film today.